The iconic Hills is in the process of transforming into a technology company. The once diversified investment company is aiming to generate 75% of revenue through technologies and communications while pursuing sustained earnings growth, innovation, production development and acquisitions. I'm Lelda Smits, and joining me at ASX Investor Series in Sydney is the company's Managing Director and CEO, Ted Pretty. Ted, welcome.
Oh, thank you very much.
When we last spoke at the end of the 2014 financial year, the company's transformation was in full swing. What has occurred since?
We've completed largely all the structural work for the transformation, and now we're concentrating on our core technology businesses. For the next 6, probably 9 months, we'll be in that period of consolidation, improving supply chain, improving our processes, looking at the systems supporting the business. But at the same time, we've got an eye on acquisitions. And as I mentioned to you, I think when we spoke last time, acquisitions will be the core focus of the business over the next 12 months.
Certainly. Now, Hills recently also downgraded its fiscal 2015 profit expectations. Could you outline why and also what the company is doing to tackle those issues?
Yes. When we announced the FY14 year, we expected that the FY15 guidance would be somewhere between 22 and 24 million of net profit after tax. What we've said to the market is the first 4 months of the year, trading has been softer. We've also said the shift in the Aussie dollar, which has been quite significant, will impact earnings. And that is after we've taken the benefit of things such as hedging and price increases that you can make in the marketplace. So we're seeing a bit of softer move in the Australian economy in the first 6 months. So we've been a little bit cautious on the guidance and said we'll be at the lower end of that range.
Hill's recent AGM highlighted pleasing trading conditions from your health solutions business. Can you outline what the company does and also what factors are supporting its growth?
The bottom line with health is that the whole industry is growing around 8% compound annual growth rate in revenue. That is why we've moved into health technology. We see it as a sector which has a lot of potential. We're involved in nurse call and patient entertainment, patient engagement technologies. We see that the continuing growth in healthcare will support the growth in those technologies. So we've been quite pleased with its performance in the first 4 months. It was the bright spot in otherwise difficult trading conditions.
Okay, now the technology sector is a very hot sector at the moment with many new entrants. How does Hill's strategy target quality assets, and also what do you believe sets it apart from the rest?
Look, we need to develop some unique and sustainable business value propositions. To a large extent, our business has been focused on the distribution of third-party product into the Australian market. So that's been important to us in terms of our earnings to date. But we see a lot of opportunity, particularly in the health sector, where we will produce, design, manufacture that product ourselves and provide a bit more sustainability to our margins. Because if you're importing a lot of product and you're subject to variations in the Aussie dollar, that creates a vulnerability in your business. If you're able to manufacture your own product and have some self-determination over how your margins work, then it's better for the business.
And finally, Ted, as Hill's transformation continues, what milestones will you be targeting?
I think the acquisition milestone, we've indicated we've got a very clean and under-leveraged balance sheet. We're not in a hurry to do the acquisition, but we know, and I think the market expects us to make an acquisition that's consistent with the strategy of going deeper into technology and going deeper into particularly health and security in terms of technology. The market is probably holding a little bit on their view of the Hill stock, which is fine, but I think it's important for our shareholders that we select the right acquisitions and don't jump too quickly.
Certainly. Well, Ted Pretty, thank you for the update from Hills.
Thank you very much.